Hi everyone, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video we'll be talking about eBay UK product research. Again, I feel like eBay is the best source of where to get your products or where to find which ones sell the best, because eBay is a person-to-person market just like Facebook is, and those items, the items that sell on eBay will most likely sell really well on Facebook Marketplace. So, you want to head over to eBay UK, and we see a couple things here. We see, just a slider. It's giving us ideas. This looks like a headphone. So let's search up headphones. Right, and once you do this, you will be brought to a page, the search page, and then you can run research just like on eBay.com. So something you need to know is for eBay UK, the sales will not be as much as eBay.com. Same thing with Amazon UK, they won't be as much as eBay.com, or sorry, Amazon.com. But regardless, you want to click on your extension, you want to click research, and you want to define your criterias for eBay product research. For this, I will say no more than a maximum competitors of 15 and no less than 4 sales a month. So anything with 4 or more sales will be highlighted green, and anything with less than 15 competitors will be highlighted green. So let's go ahead and do the research. And of course, you could always click this button if you've already got your research defined. So here we have 131 competitors, but 28 sales. Here we've got 40 competitors, and it makes sense. There's a lot of iPhone stuff, so a lot of people sell iPhone related things. This seems like a great product, right? For this title, 1 competitor and 6 sales. So that's cool. So let's click on this. So you could save the seller, but before I want to save them, I'll click research seller, and it shows here they've got 14 listings that they sold. So remember previously our criterias were defined, so we're just going to click run Fbmfox research, and it's going to start doing its magic. And we sort of just got to let it do its thing and walk away. So it seems like the person only has 1 winner, and it seems like they sell a lot of iPhone related things. But regardless, let me go ahead and save this person. So I can save this person easily by adding a seller tag and saying iPhone seller, and click save seller. And then I can refresh this page, and you'll see that the changes are reflected. So now that we have the iPhone seller here, we can also save this product because it lists, it sells well. So we'll save it so we can list it later. And one cool thing that you'll notice is in your research, you'll see that this person is actually saved. You can find them right here, the Salsa iPhone seller, right? And you can visit them next time immediately. So, if some days you feel like listing some Apple products, it's quite simple. You just find the seller in your extension, and you can click visit seller. You can also find the seller in your Fbmfox account and click from there. So yeah, it's quite simple. Check it out. I'm sure you guys will love this. So, and once again, we have 3 different suppliers, or 4 suppliers from UK. We have Argos, we have Amazon, we have eBay UK, and we have Tesco. So those are some great suppliers to help you get started, help you list, and we have product research for eBay and Amazon, which is awesome. So see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys like this one.